Grandma's secret recipe for hair growth. Having strong and quickly growing hair is of concern to many women around the world. Yet, the salon treatments can be quite costly. Garlic can help prevent hair loss, as well as help hair grow more quickly. It can even help hair from turning gray or white. This is because garlic has important elements in it, such as copper, selenium, sulfur and vitamin C. These elements are essential to hair health. For instance, copper helps hair to grow more quickly, thickens the hair and makes the color more vibrant. Today's video will discuss how to use garlic to help your hair. 1. Mix with coconut oil. Coconut oil can be massaged into hair to maintain its health. Therefore, garlic juice can be added to the coconut oil prior to massaging the hair and scalp. Garlic juice can be made by crushing some garlic cloves. After mixing with the coconut oil, heat the mixture for a few minutes and stir well to ensure it is fully combined. After cooling, place the mixture onto your scalp and massage it into your hair and scalp. Use this method 2 to 3 times weekly in order to see the best results. 2. Add to your shampoo and/or conditioner. The simplest way to add garlic to your hair is to add it to your shampoo and conditioner. For a natural conditioner, use honey and garlic juice. Ginger can be added to neutralize the odor of the garlic. It is important to note that this shampoo should not be used more than twice per month, because using more than this will dry out the hair and scalp. 3. Mix with olive oil. Place cloves of garlic directly into olive oil. Allow to infuse for approximately 1 week. Then, apply directly onto the head prior to going to sleep. Wash hair and scalp in the morning in order to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. 4. Rub into head. Using a garlic clove, simply rub directly onto the part of the scalp that has suffered hair loss. Do this 1 hour prior to bedtime. After rubbing onto the head, wait 1 hour and then massage the scalp using olive oil. Then, use a bed cap or hood to cover the head while sleeping. In the morning, wash the hair and scalp well. Repeat this process often in order to re-establish hair growth. 5. Garlic oil. Garlic oil can also be purchased in the supermarket. However, it is extremely easy to make. Simply chop garlic finely and place into olive oil for at least 2 weeks. If olive oil is not accessible, almond oil can be substituted instead. Refrigerate the infused oil in between uses. 6. Direct application. Garlic can be crushed, and the juice can be massaged directly onto the scalp and hair. Once applied, leave in for a few minutes and then wash, as normal, with shampoo and conditioner. Do you plan to give garlic a try? Let us know in our comment section. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.